Hey, welcome to the sixth video of the most practical Facebook ads which you'll ever see. And in this video, we are going to talk about offer. So without wasting any time, let us begin with this video. First of all, what exactly is an offer? So in simple words, offer is an exchange of value between two parties. So whenever we are doing any transaction, there is an exchange of value. Let us take this basic example. You are watching this video. So in the terms of this video, we are giving you some knowledge and you are giving us your time. So for your time, we are giving you this knowledge and there is this exchange of value. So this is an offer, but let us take this one step ahead. Now let's say you are purchasing a course from us, although we don't have any course and we have not intending to having anyone in the near future or any part of the time for that matter. But let's say that we have a course and we price that course for 1,000 rupees. So for 1,000 rupees, you are learning something from us. So again, this is an offer from our side. You give us 1,000 rupees, you give us $100, you give us $200 or anything like that, and we are giving you this course. Again, there is an exchange of value, but it is important to put out our offer in such a way that the other party should feel like they have got a lot of value. But before going into all this stuff, let us clear this basic difference. So there is a difference between an offer and a discount, and this is concerned mostly to a large number of Indian audience, because Indian audience generally feel that offer and discount is one and the same. Let's say what we call as an offer is an exchange of value, which we told in the last slide. But when it comes to a discount, there is a certain reduction in price. So let's say that you had this particular pen which was available for 20 rupees. Now for discount, you're getting that for 15 rupees. Or let's say when you buy 2 pens, you get the third pen for free. So that is a discount. But offer is purely limited to the kind of value exchange which there exists in both the parties. Now let us understand what is the importance of offer. So the number one importance of the offer is that the user is feeling that he's getting a lot of value. And if the user is feeling that he's getting a lot of value, then he will never hesitate to pay you less. Now let us understand this by taking another example. Now let's say that you are suffering with certain kind of disease. Now whenever you go to a doctor and he says that you have a brain tumor, now he's asking you 1 lakh rupees to do the operation of that particular brain tumor. Now will you hesitate to invest money in that particular thing? The answer is clear, no. But is the doctor only doing an operation for 1 lakh rupees? No. The actual exchange of value which is taking place here is your life for those 1 lakh rupees. Because if you don't do that operation, then you will die. So if we have an offer which solves a problem which is way more greater than the kind of money which we are asking, then our product or marketing will be definitely successful. And the offer is the most important part of entire sales process, because it is possible that you can have a weak landing page, you can have a weak Facebook ad copy or anything like that, but if you have a strong offer, then all these things will get compensated. And in the doctor's case, if the doctor does not have a great hospital and all those things, now that's just a vague example, but if that doctor is an expert and he knows how to do the operation well, then definitely you're going to go to that doctor, he's going to do your operation and you're going to save, your life is going to get saved. So whenever the user is feeling that he's getting a lot of value, then he'll definitely invest money. Now comes the other step, how to make a good offer. The first step is of course giving a solution based offer. Again, let us take an example of that doctor. So again, he's giving a solution to your problem and he's solving the most important problem, which is your life itself. Now let us come to other people and how can they craft their offer. Let's say you are a gym trainer. Now instead of selling your gym services or any such thing with other people are doing in the market, let's say you are selling health. Now in terms or by using your gym, people can get more healthy. Now this is just one example. Similarly, if you are someone who is selling a consulting services, now you can sell growth. So you are selling them growth. So whenever we are offering a solution based offer, then we are making a good offer. Now comes the next part, which is irresistible. Now, what is the best example of the irresistible offer? So whenever you are visiting any particular site and you see that there are hundreds of things which are available at a very less price, so in that case that offer becomes irresistible. So whenever a person sees your offer, he should feel like, oh, I need to get this stuff, I need to buy this stuff. So whenever your offer is irresistible, then that's a good offer. Now that offer should be a no-brainer. Now what could be an example of a no-brainer offer? Let's say our agency, it offers 45 minutes or 30 minutes of free consultation, and in which we analyze your landing pages, we do all the stuff for you, we analyze your competition, we do everything, and we do everything for free. And on the top of that, if you don't become our client, then we don't have any problem. So we are giving you a lot of value and we are not taking anything from you. So that's a no-brainer offer. So for having good offer, we have to make sure that we give solutions, we have an irresistible offer, and that should be no-brainer. But hey, there is another important point, which is guarantee. Now whenever you have a guarantee which is involved in an offer, then the offer becomes way much stronger. Now again, let's take an example. Suppose you are buying a product and it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So at any point, if you feel that the product is not good, you can return us. So that's a 30-day money back guarantee. And whenever you have a guarantee, it becomes easier for you to make that particular buying decision. So that's the importance of guarantee. First of all, it's the backbone of any offer. Secondly, now the user feels that the entire risk is on the side of the seller and not the buyer. So that's the secret of basically the online websites and e-commerce business booming in a lot of places, especially in India, that whenever if we feel that the product is not good, we can return that anytime. So guarantee is really very important. And when it comes to your business, your guarantee is going to separate from all the people in the market, and it is going to give you more business. Now in our business, we offer a guarantee that if you don't get you results, then you don't pay us. So that's a solid guarantee. Now if you are guaranteeing you business, and if we say that if you don't get business for you, you don't pay us, then that's a no-brainer offer. Again, people are going to say that, okay, if they don't get us results, we don't pay them. So that's a great offer, and that's a great guarantee. Now let us talk about how we can design the offer page. Again, it should be long, it should be appealing, there should be multiple call to actions, and we should emphasize on grouping. So these are some basic stuff. Again, we are going to go into design and making an offer page on all this part, so there are going to be separate videos on that, but we hope that you have understood the importance of offer. So again, revisiting this video, offer is an exchange of value between two parties, and if you have a strong offer, then it can compensate for a bad landing page, it can compensate for a bad offer page itself. But our offer should be really very strong, and if you have a strong offer, then we can sell things really very easily. So that is pretty much it from this video, and we hope that you got a lot of value. So see you in the next one.